So many buildings are changing around here. So basically that's Studio City now, and then there's another building right there. There's Parisian, just for your reference. And we're kind of at this four corners. The ecological one is over there, and then Galaxy is right here. And basically we're gonna try to explore and see what Galaxy looks like as well at this time. So yeah, a lot of changes. And there's the Galaxy Arena, so we're gonna go in there and go right in there and just go all the way through Galaxy and kind of show you. But before we even go in, I just wanted to show you the Studio City. It looks totally different now. Oh, that tall building like that. And then this one over here, those are two new additions. I didn't have those before. I could actually probably do a Studio City one as well today, but I think I'll save it for another day. But we're basically on this corner, which also looks a lot different as well now. There's a ton of traffic moving through in here. There's a lot of construction coming all the way down here, which was always there, but now that's changing a lot too. So anyways, we're gonna be going into Galaxy. So stay tuned for that. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so there's Galaxy Casino. That's also kind of new too, relatively new, within the last 3 years. So that whole thing right there, but that's all brand new, like that building right there, then that one right there. And we're gonna be walking down Avenida de Cotai because we're gonna be going in front of this Galaxy Casino right here. And yeah, this street has changed too, but I think it's not changed enough to warrant me filming it. But I mean, to walk down the street. But if you look all the way down, you can see these really cool buildings over there on the Zhuhai side. And we'll probably look at that a little bit as well in a moment. But all of this is brand new as well. This whole Galaxy Arena right here. Let me get around that sign. There it is. So pretty amazing, actually. You got the convention center, arena doors. Yeah, those other casinos are built up now too. So I wonder what they're gonna do with this over here and with this road. There's been construction here for 10 years. Construction right through there. So this is you know, around on the street right here that's in front. This, we couldn't even come up here until, this is my first time to come up here actually, to be honest. Little aquarium in front of the arena. Yeah, that sounds really cool. Over there is Hengqin Island, all those buildings over there. So they're building those quite a bit as well, and I don't know the future yet with those things. I know they're going to be part of Macau, but I don't know how accessible it'll be for people in Macau to go in and out of there without needing a passport and everything like that. I went over there 2-3 weeks ago, and it took about an hour, so it's not like something I could just go over at a whim at any time I want. So we're gonna walk down the street a little bit further, and we're gonna try to go in right here. And you can still see lots of construction out here as well in the Galaxy. It's all those in green, that's all scaffolding with bamboo up there. Here's the Andaz Macau Convention Center. We'll see what that's all about. So they're still doing a lot of construction up here as well. So we're gonna see what that's all about. I mean, they even have the street signs still, and the black and white. And I think we might be able to go up here. I'm gonna try it anyways. I saw a lot of people walking through this main area these days now as well, which is quite a bit different than before. Before this was all block. This is all construction in here. So this whole corner is still under construction. This is all just open. And I don't even know if we can go in there yet, even. And they're still building some of these skyways because they're going to connect the buildings because this is such a big, massive property. And I believe that Galaxy is going to be one of the biggest casinos in the world, I think. I mean, just the arena alone is going to take us a little time to walk by it. Yeah, there's still a lot of construction too, right? So they're still building the sign right here, the Galaxy Arena parking sign. Exhibition center. I don't even know if we can go in yet, probably not. I think usually arenas you can't really go in anyways until there's an event. They're still building on the other side as well, right? Actually, all of this used to look like that. Well, I mean, before it wasn't even that. But I mean, I'm pretty sure that that's a new one as well. That gold one right there, because that's in the middle part. We still have to go all the way through this. Yeah, the skyway is only half finished as well right now. Yeah, lots of bamboo scaffolding over there. You can see cranes, lots of cranes still, lots of equipment. They're definitely building fast. Yeah, and once this is fully built, I didn't really fully understand how it was going to be set up, but now I think I kind of understand, because these skyways will bring people from building to building. It's an exhibition center. So I think I kind of understand a little bit better. So that's kind of a cool image like that. Got a dump truck, and then I think right up there is when we connect with all the people. So that traffic right there, that traffic is they can actually drive into this giant property as well, and they actually have a circle drive here, and we're gonna walk through all that as well. Yeah, next time you see this one on video, it'll probably be a bit different, to say the least. JW Marriott Hotel is over here somewhere. So what we're gonna do is walk all the way down and just kind of capture what we can capture. Straight ahead, way in the distance, is Taipa. That's Taipa Central. And we're just gonna see when we can connect with the tourists. It's funny, this half is all blocked off still, so I've been taking a car, but I can't use the car down here that I know of. Parking garage right there. Details into the arena. Yeah, it's kind of interesting. And actually that train over there, there's two entrances. So the subway metro line, they call it what do they call that? Transit? They call it light rail transit is what they call it. With that Macau light rail transit, there's two stations. One of them is right over there, and then the other one is over there. So the property is so big that it takes two light rail transit stations. There's Venetian right over there, so that's several other casinos in that direction. This one is kind of on the corner, and I don't know if you can see, but I don't think you can see it from here, but maybe another location you'll see that there's a Broadway casino over there as well, which is also part of the properties too. Okay, now we can see this one better. It's really nice. I have filmed inside of Galaxy quite a bit, and I don't think that will have changed too much. So I think on this particular video, because it's going to take so long just to walk across it, I'm not going to go inside, but I have footage, lots of footage of being inside from other videos. So at the end, I'll put some of my last couple times I was in Galaxy. You can watch those videos to see what's inside. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. So yeah, we're just about halfway through it, and it's already 7 minutes. I think we might even only be 1/3 of the way through it. I think that's like the end part, and I think this is the middle part, the Marriott Hotel. And then I think we have to go through the middle part as well. So I think the fact that we're already at 8 minutes right now, it's either 1/3 of the way, which is going to be 24 minutes total to walk across, or we're half of the way, and it's going to be 16 minutes. So it's quite a big space. We'll see when we get up here. But that is kind of new right there. This one came about a year ago, that big, I think that's called Raffles Hotel maybe? And this is the Marriott Hotel. So yeah, it's gonna be, it's like kind of a little bit of a city inside here, right? Yeah, and that's actually a roundabout right there. So cars and taxis will take the roundabout through the middle of it. Oh, that's kind of cool. These are all well-known streets. Cinco de Octubre, there's 2 of these. There's one in Taipa. Sorry, one in, there's a couple Mercades as well. There's, these are like kind of main popular streets in Macau. It's kind of interesting. Ho Chin Sing Tong. That patio doesn't sound familiar. The other ones I filmed it quite a few times actually. But that's one that I can't recall. To look that up later and see if I have or haven't. So let's see. Of course there's a Marriott right there. This one says foot traffic should go across the street, so I guess we'll go across the street. There's a Marriott down that way, and of course that one down that way. So we're just gonna walk all the way down now. We go all down this way, and you can still see that we still got quite a ways to get all the way down. There's the photographer, videographer. Oh. I thought she was saying hi to the camera and saying hi to somebody else. Okay, so we're still walking down the middle of it. So there's the JW Marriott right there. So the JW Marriott is like the middle building, right? So we're walking down the middle part. Then we still have one more part down there. And it looks like they're still building. So you can see some more like another, what do you call those, skyways over there? So I don't know what that is going to be over there, but they're also building like, looks like an arena kind of thing over there as well. So we got a few sections of the Galaxy. I believe this one, actually I think the Marriott, we'll see when we get up there. We can see exactly the layout of it. So here's another parking garage down in here. So there's the parking garage. P2. See how it looks like they're building a skyway right there, right? Something circular. Hey, so it looks like this might be an entrance to, oh, we're gonna walk by the Raffles Hotel. So I think this is the JW Marriott. Let me see. I think it's all construction workers in here. So they're still building it, and then the Raffles is going to be next. Then the Raffles would be next to kind of the mall area. They're still building a lot over there too. It's kind of crazy. So there's the Raffles right there. I saw in the newspaper the other day is that Raffles is not open yet because they don't have enough staffing yet. There's something called the Promenade, and that's the Raffles right there. And I guess that's just the hotels, so that's all part of the hotels as well. It's actually a really beautiful building. Huh. There's something called the Promenade right over there. So I don't think we can go in that yet. It looks like people are mostly like workers. So, and that's, if you did go into the middle part, it'd be over there. And that's a train station right there, Paycoke. You kind of want to see what the Promenade looks like. But I think this particular one, the goal is just to walk across, just to give you a context of how big it is. So yeah, that's going to be Raffles right there, and that's part of the building. And we basically came all the way down from the arena down that way. And then yeah, they're still building a lot over here, and it looks like they got a lot still all the way over there too. So the space goes all the way down to that other train line down there. Let's keep on walking down. And I guess my main goal is just to walk all the way down to the main street down there, which is the get a good view of Galaxy. And we basically just went through it, but there's still, you know, it's like it's a big space, so we just went linearly across it. But there's still, you know, we could walk over there. It'd probably take like 7, 8, 10 minutes just to get over there. And actually that little bit one right there is where the kind of the mall that's been there for at least 10 years. So that part's, you know, been fully realized. And then all the stuff that we're walking on was had all that construction like that. You couldn't even see across it. All that construction used to be over there. There's a better Raffles right there. And then yeah, now you can kind of see that side right there as well. And then the arena is all the way right there. So you got the arena, train station, Parisian, Venetian, City of Dreams is over on the other side. Studio City, where we started at, was way down that way. Arena, Raffles, and then the kind of, that's kind of, I don't know what you call that, but I kind of call it the traditional main spot. And then you can also see like the billboard sign, and then that would have been the traditional main spot right there. So we're gonna keep on walking down. And we're almost at the main road, and we'll capture the sign, places like that. Taking a breather, we'll be back soon. That's kind of a funny sign. Okay, so right there is the giant billboard. And I used to always just come in directly into there, and all this was under big wall, you know, you just couldn't really see. And then one day all of a sudden this was like well lit up at nighttime. Nighttime it's really bright. Anyways, we're just gonna come out right here. We're just gonna call this the Galaxy Casino. And that's basically another little slice of Macau for you. Got some music out here as well. So okay, that's what it all looks like. And then down that way is the train station. So you got one train station right here, and that's called Paycoke, and then right over there is Taipa Village. Then you can also see the main signs over that way as well. Let me just kind of take a look this way. Then you can see the other casinos, Venetian, Parisian, and all the traditional ones as well. So, okay. So that was Galaxy. Kind of hidden in the forest here. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.